Hi everyone, welcome to Smash Our Stash 2021. This is the first in a monthly installment of collab videos throughout 2021. This is hosted by Bourbon Creek Crafts, who is Beth, and Teresa of Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, previously Scrappin' for Less. So anyway, every month we have a theme, and this month was washi. Well, let me tell you, I have a ton. I mean, literally a ton. I mean, probably doesn't weigh a ton, but I have a lot of washi. So I pulled out one drawer because it had Valentine-y kind of stuff. And I pulled out one tube, which is a Recollections. It's called Poolrific. It's kind of very tropical looking. I don't know when I got it, but it would have been prior to mid 2018 probably, and I just started paper crafting in January 2017. You would not believe. I got so into it. This is how I do everything. I go gung-ho immediately. So I probably have as much stuff as a lot of people that have been crafting for like 15 years or something. I don't know. I have two sets of those 3 drawers full of washi, some tubes standing up, and 1, 2, 3 iris pins full of it. So what did I make? You're all saying, yeah, get on with it, Deb. Well, the first thing I did is I just did a little simple embellishing of my planner for next week, only next week. And I used, oh, I'm sorry, I actually pulled out this one too, which is a partial. It's called Serenity. I have the 12 by 12 paper pad to go with that, and possibly another one that goes with it. Anyway, so I just did the You Can Be Anything on the sides, the florals up here. This says gratitude changes everything, lovely day and love, and you are gold, and then the swans. And that's it. This has to go up a little bit, doesn't it? Yeah. So anyway, that's just that, and I didn't want to get into that too much because, you know, if you're not a planner person, yeah, so what? So then I decided to make some Valentine cards. Well, embellishments first and then cards. So this is what I did. These are washi. Actually, these are the first ones I did. So let me bring my washi back up. Well, this is gold washi. It's not gold foil paper or gold glitter paper. These are all of these like white with gold and black washi, and then the arrows are, which one? I think this one. It might be this one. I don't know. It's one of those 2 arrows. But I used all 4 of these plus the gold glimmer. And I just took a piece of white cardstock. It was Whisper White by Stampin' Up, which is no longer available. Now they have basic white. And I just layered them up and cut them along the edges. And then I did the same thing. Okay, so this is a Heart Punch pack. This is in Stampin' Up's annual catalog. For those that don't know me, I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator. In the United States, so forgive me, but I still do use the stuff even though we're using washi. But the Heart Punch pack is wonderful. It's in the annual catalog, currently available. It's 151292 is the item code if you shop online. And so I cut out white hearts, and then I layered them with the gold glitter tape, and I'm happy to report that is, I did finish that roll of that gold glitter tape, and I am so happy about that because it gets everywhere. Let me tell you, it gets everywhere. So this, I just put the thin washi onto a piece of Whisper White, and then I used another punch called the Banner Pick-a-Punch, kind of scratched up. It's number 153608, also in the annual catalog, but it does the point and also the flag, or whatever you call that. So point flag, although that one got a little piece of the previous arrow on it. Now this one, I don't know what I did, but I somehow got these crooked or something, because when I cut this, it was a little odd, and I ended up cutting that whole strip of washi off. So I put it on a piece of Blushing Bride first, cardstock, which kind of brought out the pink in these hearts here. And then I put it on the basic black. And on the inside, I did stamp Happy Valentine's Day, and that is out of the Meant to Be cling stamp set, which is in the current annual catalog, I believe. It should be, yes, I'm sure. It's a carryover. And same on here, except here I had run out of the gold washi. I don't know what that is. Little. Anyway, so I used the arrows with the hearts, like up here. So that's those two. And then I went pink and purple, which is this grouping of washi from, I don't know if I used that one, but from here down. I only used this on one of them. And you're not even seeing it from here down. All these right in here. These pink and purple ones is what I used. So there's still a lot left. I mean, it would take me forever to use them up. So on this one, I did a little different. I took this stamp set called Heartfelt, and I used this heart, and I stamped in Purple Posy, which we can't sell. The ink, this is Purple Posy paper, however, which we can sell. You could get Highland Heather and stamp off and do the same thing. But anyway, I just did like a background on both of them. And then I did the same thing. I punched out a white heart. I did the strips on them. And then I put them on the scalloped heart in Blushing Bride. And then I bumped them all up on dimensionals. And just turned them different ways. And then this ribbon is part of, it's in Purple Posy, it's 1/2 inch. It's from the Playing with Patterns ribbon combo pack, or yeah, and it's 152468 in the annual catalog. And then let's see, on the inside, this one has the pink with purple hearts, which went through the center of a couple of these. And this one has the hearts with the different colors and arrows, which went through the center of this one. And both just, this one doesn't say anything. It just says you and me on the hearts. And same with this one, it doesn't say anything. Because we've got the you and me on the hearts. And I thought we could just write Happy Valentine's Day or something. I don't know. Or we could use From My Heart to Yours. That would be a cute, in fact, I might do that. Stamp that on the inside of both of those. So those are the first, those are my Valentine washi cards. And then I decided to use the Tropical for something different. And I went a little different with this one. So I have 3 cards to show you here. This one, what I did is I took a piece of 5 1/4 by 4 cardstock, Whisper White cardstock, and then I die cut it with Stampin' Up! Stitch So Sweetly dies. I used the large scalloped rectangle here. And I used that on this card. So I put it, the frame, I was going to bump it up and then I changed my mind. I put it on Pool Party. This is washi here. So it made a frame is what I'm trying to say. It made a frame. And then these I stamped out of Timeless Tropical, which is in Stampin' Up's annual catalog also. And there are coordinating dies also called the Tropics dies. And I use them on all 3 cards I'm going to show you. But here's the pine trees and also the pineapple. And then the dies have these little flowers and the word aloha. Here's the pineapple and the pine tree, palm tree dies. And I also used this leaf. And then I also used another Stampin' Up! Product called Rainbow Glimmer Paper. And it looks like this. It goes from yellows and pinks to blues and greens. Sorry for the glare. Anyway, I use that. and I used the Starburst punch, which is retired, so sorry you can't get that one, and the rectangular postage stamp. So the washi on this is the frame, and on the inside I did use washi here and washi here. This circle Starburst is bumped up on dimensionals, and then this is just glued on it. I edged it with Mango Melody alcohol marker, Stamp and Blend alcohol marker. This is from the Glimmer paper, as are the little flowers. Here I did them in the more pink and purple color, and here I did them in the yellows. On top of pink and purple. Starburst, that kind of went with this Summer Fun. And then the stamp set had hello, so I thought it just looked plain there to me, so I put aloha here and hello here. These are stamped in cinnamon cider ink and colored in light and dark granny apple green and cinnamon cider, and this is colored in with light and dark granny apple green and light and dark Mango Melody. And then these little dots are from Playing with Patterns resin dots. This is actually crushed curry, but I thought it went well. And then these dots are actually pumpkin pie color, and they are out of the Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels. And there's one, I actually have two left. There's one way up here. Anyway, I thought they went well in the yellowish flowers. So yeah, that's the first card. And then the second one uses the piece that came out of the other one. And what I did here is I took a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of Whisper White. I edged it with that skinny gold and white strip, wrapped it around the bottom. I glued that onto a piece of Bumblebee. We could have used Mango Melody, but I already had the Bumblebee cut. This is a vertical card. And then this I popped up on foam adhesive sheets, also by Stampin' Up. So instead of using lots of dimensionals. This is another one of the postage stamp punch cutouts from the Glimmer paper, and then I just use white to do the aloha. And on the inside of this one I have the gold and white strip and the palm trees again. So I think that came out cute. And then the last one, I used a pool party card base, and I just made a flat frame with the washi. So I put Sunny Vibe, Summer Fun, and this actually says hello, sunny days under it. Then the gold and white washi, and then I did the flamingos down here with the gold and white washi, and then the palm trees, and then I die cut the pineapple from the tropical dies using the different shades of that Glimmer paper, and again with the Playing with Patterns resin dots here, here, and here. And then on the inside of this one, just the palm trees again to coordinate with the side strips over here, and left it blank. So I didn't really put a sentiment on this because it already had words, you know, sunny vibes, summer fun. So this could be like a have a great vacation or something. The stamp set has rest and relax, you deserve it, which I wasn't liking that one. I don't know, I'd rather have it say something like have fun on vacation, or what, you know, whatever, in your travels or something. So anyway, those are my 3 washi based tropical cards. And then of course I'll bring back in the heart ones, and those are my projects for this month. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm really looking forward to seeing what everyone else comes up with. I'm more of a card maker and jewelry maker, and I actually, towards the end of making these, I got another idea, but I ran out of time and it wouldn't have been cards. But yeah, so let me know what you like. The purple hearts, the black and gold, black, white, and gold hearts, or the tropical tropical series. Maybe I should have made, well, never mind. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I did. I made sort of a frame. Now I was gonna, like I said, bump this up on foam around the edges and make it like a picture thing, but I liked the trees coming out over the edge, and it didn't work right if it was popped up, so I didn't do it. So yeah, that's what I did. Let me know which ones are your favorites down in the comments below, and do please be sure to leave a thumbs up for me as well as everyone else that participates. We have a lot of fun doing this, but it sure makes us feel a lot better if we get thumbs ups and wonderful comments from you to let us know that you've been here and that you like what we're doing, so it gives us encouragement to continue doing what we're doing. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Like I said, the links for everyone else, it's a pretty long list, will be down below. Be sure to check everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a happy, healthy, and safe new year so far, and also through the rest of 21. Bye for now.